Hi guys, welcome back to Spotify channel. Now we'll give you a tutorial how to make the Spotify picture story on Instagram for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's start it. First, we go to Instagram application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Instagram. After that, you can go to your story in the upper of the left corner. And next, if you done to be search or to be post about the story before, you can slide up and you can go to the picture or the camera symbol in here. It means you add the story to new. And then you can take picture by your camera, but you can also take your picture by your gallery. So I want to take picture for my camera. Click on. And next, I want to be my picture is more blur because the Spotify has a blur background. It's more to be make the Spotify is appear for the charming part. And then click the symbol of smile in the upper. And next you can click symbol of the clock here. Tap until you find the analog clock. If you get it, you can take a bigger the clock to has the blur of picture. Okay, if you done, you can click also about the symbol of the smile in the upper and search in the tab here. Click on the search and typing about the Spotify. There is so many GIF here, and you just to take one of them of the Spotify. So you can click on, and after that you can adjust it. It's depend of your type. Okay, and after that you can go to the symbol of the smile again. Click on, and after that you can click music. Search about the song that you want to be post for your Instagram stories. Okay, don't forget to tap it to adjust it like the Spotify. And if you're done, you can click done in the upper of the right corner and adjust it for the picture. It's like a Spotify. Okay, if you're done, you can click your story, and then the story is a post from your story like the Spotify. Okay, this is a tutorial how to make the Spotify picture story on Instagram for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.